In today's video, we will be looking at how you can sort your table. So what I've done, I've highlighted the row with the blue to show you that when we sort it, the table won't be mixed up, all right? So what I'm gonna do, I will be sorting by the color. So I'm just gonna, the column with the label color, so I'm just gonna click anywhere in the column. So I'm gonna click A4. Then I'm going to go up to then I'm going to come across in the ribbon in the editing group. Then I'm going to select sort and filter. We click on it. Then we want the color column to be sorted alphabetically, going from A to Z. So the first row in A2 should have the color blue, the row with the color blue. So let's click on it, A to Z, and there it is. The color blue is sorted at the top. And I colored the row so that I could show you that the table would not be mixed up. All right, so I'm gonna sort it now by the cost. All right. So I'm going to click anywhere in here, right? And I want it to be from the highest cost to the lowest cost, all right? So again, we're going to come up to Home tab, come across in our ribbon, and we're going to go to the editing group within the ribbon. Then we're going to select sort and filter icon by clicking on it. Then here we want it to go from largest to smallest. So we're going to click on it. And here now you can see that we have $100, $45, $35, $25, and $15. The table, our table is now sorted according to the cost. All right, so I'm going to click outside. We're going to sort it by the percentage now. So again, we click anywhere in the column with the label percentage with our mouse. In this case, I selected F3. Then I'm going to make sure that I'm in I selected the Home tab. Then I'm going to come across in my ribbon here to the editing group. Then I'm going to select sort and filter. And I want it to go from smallest to largest, which is labeled A to Z. When I click on it, you see here now we have 30%, 30%, 30%, and 150%. Okay. The last example I'm going to show you is by the miles, right? So again, the same procedure. I'm gonna click and I'm gonna click up here now, right? So right here, I'm gonna select there, anywhere in the column labeled miles. Then I'm gonna make sure I'm in Home tab. Then we go sort and filter, and we want it to go from smallest to largest. So we click on it with our mouse, it's option on the mouse, and there now you can see that the table is sorted according to the miles from the lowest to the highest. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now, when you're sorting, you don't need to color this row, right? So I'm going to remove the color. I just put the color there just to illustrate that the numbers won't be mixed up when you sort it. So this brings us to the end of today's video.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.